It's a beautiful, crisp, snowy morning here on the farm, and everyone has just done their morning chores, and William ran back up and said, "Mom, we've got our first lamb." So, lambing season has begun. Buddy's with me, Tabitha, Jesse. He's got a little war wound from sledding yesterday. We love snow. We get to sled. Sometimes we get to ski. And most of the time, snow and cold means lambs. So, yeah, it's kind of a long trek out. But I think we've got the horses following us too, because that's just what they do. They like to hang out.
Phoebe's running.
Yeah, Phoebe's running. She's coming. Hi, Phoebes. Pretty girl. Will, we got a lamb? How many? Just one? Do you think she's still in labor? Oh my goodness. Hi, baby.
It's a boy.
Welcome to the world. It's Brownie's baby. Okay, so that's Brownie. She's checking out. Thankfully, she's pretty tame. All right, let's take it back in. Did you find it in the hut here? Ugh, those silly sheep. Hi, Brownie. You're being a good mama. Hi, baby. Hi. I don't have treats for you. I should have brought treats for her. Oh, look at his little ears.
Look, he has like a pointy.
What are you doing with your ears? They're sticking straight out.
He doesn't have the pointy head. He has more.
Oh my goodness. Hi, baby.
Heavy.
He's heavy? Oh, I doubt it. Oh my goodness, hello. What'd you say, Tabitha? You want to name him what?
Tony.
Tony? Hi, Tony. I think Will found him, so he gets to name him.
I know, we don't know.
Okay, shh, you're okay, Mama.
I found him. Hey, out there. Well, Chelsea.
Here.
Chelsea got him right up here.
Oh, well, that's not an awful spot.
not
It's nice
bad.
and soft. That's for sure. You looked around? There's no other mamas?
But the other mamas are getting all swollen. They're about to have.
They're bagging out and swelling up. Okay, well, you know how it is. Once one starts, right? We usually have...
They all go. And hopefully our goats have some too.
Yeah, hopefully we'll have some baby
Look at it.
fainting goats. Heidi, what are you doing, you turkey? All right, well, fun. That's a fun way to start the day. So yesterday our first lamb was born. Everything went well, and you know, it's the daily routine now. We got to come out and check and see if my mouth is frozen. We got to come out and see if there's new lambs. So it seems like when lambing season starts that the babies just keep on coming, you know, and it's a fun little surprise to walk out to every day. So let's go see. Let's go see if there's more lambs. I'd like to catch a mama in labor this time again, but so far, you know, our first lamb, she was in the middle of the night, so we'll see what we find. I got my helpers again. I got Jesse and Tabitha with me. Good exercise, good fresh air. We spent the morning, Josh and I, dealing with technological stuff, fixing phones and computers, and I'm a phone with help center. And I'll tell you what, I would much rather be out walking in the snow checking on sheep than dealing with all that. You just can't beat it. You can't beat farm life. It's hard work, but it's good work, and it's much more satisfying than being on the phone with people about computers and stuff. Just my 2 cents. Oh wait, do you see, is there more in there? Let's search around. Let's search around. Go on that side. Do we see, I see one. Okay, Jesse, come here, don't scare him. Look at you guys. I see 2. You guys. Okay, oh, hold on, hold on. Mama's gonna protect her. Look at these little bitty babies. Hi, you guys. Oh my goodness. The mama's gonna be nervous, so we gotta keep away, okay? Tabitha, you stay here.
Soon next.
We've got 2 more. 3 babies on the ground. Oh, good babies. Nursing. Okay, so that's good. They're trying to nurse, so they look dried off. Josie, come on. Yeah, you guys tell her. You tell her, Brownie. Get away from my babies. Good mama.
So this one was born yesterday? Yeah, it was.
The other mama's being too protective, huh? She's doing her job. She's doing a good job. All right, they look healthy and nursing, and
Mama, can we
just
stay
put her
out
down. She'll run to her mama. Josie, stay. Foos. Okay, awesome. Well,
Can we
we'll
stay
keep
out
checking,
here?
making sure any lambs are healthy and strong. No
Mama,
one's
can we
needed
stay out here
assistance.
for now?
What a fun day. Okay, so 3 for 3. Lambs born, all of them are alive. It's sad to say, but it's kind of normal to lose some, so we're doing great so far. It helps that the weather has been really mild, even though everything's covered in snow and ice. It's still, sunny today and nice, and the mamas are doing a good job. So far so good. Hopefully we have a lot more little ones coming, every day. So it's exciting. We'll see what number we end on at the end of lambing season. That's a good one. Look at that. You doing it, Jessie? Oh, looks good. Excellent.
100 feet to go.
Now it seems like Tabitha's doing all the work here. What's going on? You're like as big as she is. Don't fall. You guys want to race back?
Do a video.